Story on this Friday, the outdoor mask mandate will end in Connecticut on May 1st, but many people still have a lot of questions about whether it is safe.
Absolutely, Aaron. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Patricia Del Rio, went looking for some answers, and she joins us now live from West Hartford. Patricia, what are you learning tonight?
Well, we've learned lots of people have opinions, and people are wondering, is it going to be safe once it's time to take off your masks outside? You can see here in West Hartford the sign behind me. It says, please wear a face covering in public to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The question is it safe to take that mask off outside always?
I'm ready to not wear it at all. And I'm vaccinated, so I don't know why we still have to wear it.
Ask just about anyone, and they have an opinion about whether it's time to stop wearing masks yet. On May 1st, the outdoor mask mandate expires in Connecticut, and today at a news conference, Governor Lamont was asked about the state's plans to lift mask mandates indoors and outdoors.
Probably outside, yes. Inside, no. I think I've got to talk to Deirdre, but it does seem to me that inside it's safer to keep the mask mandate a little bit longer.
The governor adding that their polling of restaurateurs and stores is that they still want indoor masking.
Said, let's keep it simple, let's keep it clean, let's keep people wearing a mask when they're in close quarters inside a little bit longer.
So we know that the risk of contracting COVID-19 is 18 times higher in the indoor setting compared to outdoor.
The governor adding that their polling of restaurateurs and stores is that they still want indoor masking. Next, 3, 2. Dr. Syed Hussein is Chief Clinical Officer of Trinity Health of New England. He says when it comes to mask wearing, outdoors is pretty simple.
The thing that folks need to keep in mind if they don't want to wear a mask is how close are you to someone else? Will you be able to breathe that air that someone else is breathing? Is basically the question you need to ask yourself. If the answer to the question is no, there's a distance between you and anybody else around you, then it is safe to not wear a mask in the outdoor setting.
But indoors is tricky.
When it comes to indoors, masking is important and will be recommended as we go through the next several weeks and months. So that recommendation holds.
He says even if you're vaccinated, there is still the danger of mutations unless we get to herd immunity.
Now there's another variant with triple mutation that is spiking the numbers in India. And we've seen India is now registering the highest number of cases that we've seen in any country since the pandemic. So we need to keep all of that context in mind that, remember, we're still in the middle of a pandemic.
So the governor says they are going to be looking at the number of people infected in this state and also the number of people vaccinated. Right now, we're at about 61%, but Dr. Fauci and the CDC has said that we need about 70 to 90% of the population in order to reach herd immunity. We're live in West Hartford. I'm Patricia Del Rio, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.